In today's video, I am going to teach you how to embed TikTok, Instagram, Google Maps to your Canva website and Shopify. To get started, you will be adding an embed to your Shopify theme. This is a simple way to display content from TikTok, Instagram, or a Google Maps location directly on your storefront page. Before you begin, make sure you already have the embed code ready, because you will paste it into a custom area in the next steps. First, open your Shopify admin dashboard. From there, click Online Store. On screen, you should see options related to how your site looks and how pages are managed. This is the area where Shopify lets you control your theme and layout, so it is the correct place to make the changes you need. Next, click Edit Theme. This will open the theme editor for your current storefront theme. Take a moment to ensure you are editing the theme that customers are actually seeing. If you have multiple themes, you want to modify the active one, so the embed appears on your live site. Now, click Add Section. When you click this, you will see a list of section types, or a way to insert a new block into your theme. Adding a section is important because it gives Shopify a specific place to render the embedded content in a clean, organized way. After that, choose Custom Liquid. This option is used when you want to include code or custom HTML and liquid content. When you select Custom Liquid, you should see an area appear in the theme editor where you can paste the embed code. At this point, you will paste the embed code from TikTok, Instagram, or Google Maps. Go back to the source you are embedding, then copy the embed code that is provided for that platform. Then return to Shopify and paste it into the Custom Liquid box. Make sure you paste the full code block, including the surrounding tags, because incomplete code can cause the embed to fail to load. It is also a good idea to check that the embed code matches what you want to display. If you are embedding a TikTok video, confirm it is the correct video link. If you are embedding an Instagram post or profile, confirm it is the correct account or post. If you are embedding Google Maps, confirm it is the correct location. This small check prevents you from saving something that is not the right content. Once the embed code is pasted, click Save. This step applies your changes to the theme. Depending on your store and browser, it may take a few seconds for the updated layout to load. After you click Save, you can preview your site to confirm the embed displays properly in the correct section of your page. After saving, review the page where you added the section. Look for the embed itself and make sure it loads without errors. If the embed does not appear, double-check that you pasted the correct code and that you clicked Save successfully. Sometimes content might take a moment to load, especially with interactive elements like maps or social media embeds. Finally, you can adjust the placement and spacing using the theme editor controls, if those options are available in your layout. The goal is to make sure your embedded TikTok video, Instagram content, or Google Maps view fits nicely and is easy for visitors to see. And that is all there is to it. That covers everything you need to know.